What's up guys, today we're taking a deep look at the HP 2026 14-inch laptop with Intel N150, 16GB RAM, and hybrid storage. A budget-focused, ultra-portable machine that's marketed as an eye-ready laptop for students and business users. But in reality, it's built primarily for basic everyday productivity. Right away, this laptop clearly sits in the entry-level category, and understanding that is key before buying. The Intel N150 processor is designed for efficiency and low power usage rather than speed, so this is not a performance laptop. It's meant for tasks like browsing, documents, streaming, and light multitasking. In real-world use, the laptop handles things like Microsoft Word, Excel, Google Docs, Zoom calls, email, and web browsing without major issues. Where it actually gets interesting is the 16GB of RAM, which is unusually high for a budget device. This helps keep the system responsive even when you have multiple tabs or apps open, which is something many cheaper laptops struggle with. Now let's talk about storage, because this is one of the more unusual parts of this device. Instead of a single fast SSD, you're getting a split storage system, UFS storage combined with microSD and USB flash storage. While this gives you decent total capacity, it's generally slower than a standard NVMe SSD, so things like file transfers, app launches, and system responsiveness won't feel as snappy as mid-range laptops. The display is another area where compromises are clear. It's a 14-inch HD panel, 1366x768, which is usable but not impressive in today's standards. Text and images won't look as sharp as full HD screens, and brightness and color accuracy are fairly basic, fine for work, but not ideal for media or creative tasks. Where this laptop really shines is portability. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, making it a strong option for students who move between classes or professionals who need a simple travel laptop. Battery life is also a highlight, often reaching around 10 hours or more, which is excellent for this category. You also get a surprisingly complete feature set for the price, including Windows 11 Pro, Copilot AI features, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 1-year Office 365 subscription. For someone starting fresh, this means you can basically open the laptop and start working immediately without needing extra purchases. In real-world discussions, many users point out that laptops with this type of processor are best for light usage only, and performance can drop off quickly if you try to push it beyond its limits. That's why it's important to be realistic. This is not a laptop for gaming, video editing, programming with heavy tools, or anything performance-intensive. The Intel N150 simply isn't built for that level of workload, even if the RAM tries to compensate. Another thing to consider is long-term experience. Because of the slower storage and entry-level CPU, the laptop may start to feel sluggish over time, especially as apps and operating systems become more demanding. This isn't unusual in this price range, but it's something buyers should expect. So overall, the HP 2026 14 inches Intel N150 laptop is worth it if you want a lightweight, affordable, ready-to-use laptop for school, office work, and everyday tasks, especially with Office included. But if you care about speed, performance, or future-proofing, you'll probably want to step up to something with a stronger processor and SSD.